very excited to start a new tutorial series on this YouTube channel based on computer vision. So in this video we will be discussing what the introduction part of computer vision basically. So we will be discussing only the introduction part here, and the rest of the series will be the following. So what is computer vision? For those who don't know what is computer vision is an ability or a program that can be written by us to detect object in an image or a video. So that will be our first point, which we will be discussing in this series. Detecting objects in an image. It can be any object, it can be in any image. We will be discussing to detect objects in an image, and then we'll be also detecting objects in a video. That can be a downloaded one from your webcam or a live streaming video, whatever it is, that doesn't matter. We will be detecting images and detecting objects in a video and images. So there are lots and lots of tutorials I used to watch in YouTube. So we will have lots of videos that gives you a deep introduction or a deep learning about computer vision and what is computer vision. But here I just wanted to give you a clear idea what is computer vision and how it is working, and how can we make working for ourselves. Okay, so to give understanding of what is computer vision and how does it work, I have two images here. One from both I have taken from Google. So one is this one. So look this image. You can identify lots and lots of objects here. One is we can detect buildings, we can detect cars, we can detect number plates, we can detect humans, you can detect this rods, stones, maybe stones, and this number plates or number whatever pedestrian plates. We can identify lots of things in this video, this image. If you want to detect a particular object, particular thing in an image, it is quite possible, or you can also find all the objects in this image unless you would need to detect it perhaps. So that is what here. So this is an image which is taken from a Google search like OpenCV, computer vision, and this is another one which gives you a detailed explanation of what we are going to do. So this is an image which is very familiar to you all. This is a smiley, right? Smiley or whatever, smiley thing. Go to hell. And next, what is it? What are these boxes, you might ask? So these boxes are pixels. For an image or a video, everything is all about pixels. I hope you all know this. If you don't, you just make it to know. In an image, everything is based on pixels. What are pixels? Pixels is a basic unit in an image. So each image is identified by its pixels. You can also have a resolution kind of a thing like 720, 480. Everything is all about pixels. So what is happening here is, this is a pixel starting from 0. This is the first point, and this will be your last point. In your human geometry, we will be discussing a 2D geometry here. We will be having a X-like pattern, right? This will be your Y and this will be your X. Similarly, for a computer, it is quite like this. This will be your X, it will be your X, and this will be your Y. So this will be point 0, 0, and this will be max. I hope that goes max. Okay, so that is here 0, 0 and max. This will be your minimum point, and this will be your maximum point. Okay, and this is what happening inside your computer. This is a small brief introduction. Small and brief are same, I know that, don't comment it. This is a brief introduction of computer vision, and we will be using these techniques to identify a set of objects here. Okay, so I think this might go well, so that I started my video series on this one. So the programming language and the technology what we are going to use. Yes, really, that is a good question. So we will be using Python and an open source library called OpenCV. So Python for programming language, and this is a library. Okay, so we will be discussing Python with OpenCV. There are lots and lots of tutorials, but this is another one. If you find it interesting and you think you can learn a little bit more than that tutorial series, you can watch this. I am not compelling you to do this, but if you want to do this, and if you want to make sure all the videos of mine is coming to you, you have to subscribe it or like it. You can subscribe it or you can like it, that is your wish. And I hope we will be seeing in the next video, and I hope you will be joining here there too. And stay tuned for the next video, and I'll be